Looking to expand your business's reach or streamline communication? Twilio virtual phone numbers offer a flexible and cost-effective solution. This segment covers the basics of acquiring one. First, you'll need to sign up for a Twilio account. A free trial is available to help you get started without upfront costs. Once you're signed up, log into the Twilio console. This is your web-based dashboard where you'll manage all your communications services. In the console, navigate to Phone Numbers, then Manage, and finally Buy a Number. This is where you'll search for and purchase virtual numbers. Here, you can search for numbers by country, type such as local, toll-free, mobile, or short code, and desired features like SMS capability. Pricing starts at $1 per month for local numbers and $2 per month for toll-free, plus usage fees around $0.85 per minute for calls and $0.75 per SMS in the US as of 2025. Make sure you have a verified account with a payment method and comply with Twilio's acceptable use policy to avoid any issues. After purchasing your Twilio virtual number, the setup process begins. Numbers are instantly provisionable in most countries, though availability can vary due to geopolitical factors. Configuration involves setting up webhooks to handle incoming calls and text messages. These webhooks route communications through Twilio's API to your application or server. Twilio provides SDKs for various programming languages, making integration straightforward. Popular options include Node.js and Python, which allow you to quickly connect your applications to Twilio's services. Expect a basic setup to take around 5 to 15 minutes. These virtual numbers are cloud-based and fully programmable, routing calls and text messages through Twilio's API directly to your application, server, or device. Virtual numbers enable advanced features like AI-powered call routing, introduced with Twilio Flex AI. This allows for smarter, automated responses and improved efficiency in handling communications. Remember to stay compliant with telecom regulations and ensure your account verification is up to date to prevent fraud, especially in high-risk countries where stricter identity checks are required.